So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Vikas Lifecare. So previously, when you discussed about this particular stock, we have discussed about three major points. So first one was related to Hedwig Laboratories. So we have discussed how much percent stake they have bought and how much amount is remaining to be paid by this particular month. And the same way, we also discussed about the board meeting which was held on 19th of July. And the same way, we have also done the technical analysis. So after the board meeting was completed, so what actually they have concluded, so especially related to debt reduction program, so what are the basic details that we need to focus, so all these things we'll try to discuss, and also we'll go to the technical charts to find out the next possible levels. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group so that you will not miss any stocks for short-term trading followed by technical charts. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so moving further towards what actually happened at the outcome of the board meeting. So as I told, it was completed on 19th of July. So when previously we discussed about the date, so clearly they mentioned the title is going to be about debt reduction program. So how much amount of debt they are going to reduce in this quarter and followed by in the coming quarters as well. So if you see the data that they have provided, so clearly they are mentioning that whatever the outstanding debt is present, so 70% is already being paid up, and rest whatever the debt is going to be left out, which is around 120 million, so which would be paid in the coming quarters as well. So that is what the promoters have said. Okay, so that was the first point related to the outcome of the board meeting. So what is the second important thing that I've told? So second one obviously is related to Hedwig Laboratories, so that we discussed earlier also. So whatever the rest amount which is balance, which they told they would be clearing by this particular month. So that is another one thing. And second most important thing that they have provided is they are planning to acquire Hydrolina Biotech Private Limited, so a separate business of nutraceuticals and something related to pharma field itself. So that particular company which is already in NCLT, so by that particular means they are planning to acquire. So by what happens ultimately by these sort of activities, so the healthcare and whatever the pharmaceutical portfolio the company is having, so they are trying to make it strong and stable. Okay, so these are the basic details that the company has provided in the outcome of the board meeting. So let's quickly have the day-to-day wise deliveries and then we'll go to the technical charts. Okay, so if you see the day-to-day wise deliveries, so in the last trading session of 20th July, we have seen direct upper circuit. So today also in the same way, we have seen the upper circuit and the volumes have also increased on a regular basis. So that is what we have discussed. If you're willing to buy this particular stock for short-term trading, so definitely you would be benefited. And the same way in long-term also, if you're willing to put small portions and just forget about that, so definitely you can invest. So that is what we have discussed. So deliveries wise, we are seeing 100% because direct upper circuit is present. So the stock has also given some continuous momentum. So after approaching the 200-day exponential moving average, which was a very strong resistance for the company, so earlier many times it has retraced from that particular region. So now it is trading above that particular region. So now let's go to charts and let us simplify all the levels. Okay, so first thing we'll try to do the technical analysis on a weekly chart time frame. So after that we'll shift towards one day chart. So first, when you see the weekly chart time frame, you can see a green color line which is nothing but the 50-day exponential moving average. So you can see way back, so after many months, we can say the stock has now crossed the 50-day moving average. So earlier it was completely trading below the 50-day, which is in a bearish region. So now since few updates are being released, especially from the management side, so whatever we have discussed, so now the stock volumes have increased and continuous momentum is seen. So whatever happens to the 50 exponential moving average is going to be very important. So that is coming near 4.10. So current price, you can see it is around 4.30. So it has closed above that particular region. And if you see money flow index wise, you can see it is near 51, which is in mid range. So neither in overbought nor even in oversold. So very perfect region in weekly chart. Okay, so next when we switch over to the daily chart time frame, so you can see in between the stock has given the opportunity. So when we discussed 4 days back, so that time the stock was open and it has given chance for many people to add, and for safe investors I told you can buy near the 4 rupees region. And people who are holding from low levels, especially in the 2.75, whatever the rights issue we have discussed for, so that time also I told for short term you can keep the targets of 5 rupees. So now the immediate short term target that I am seeing is 5 rupees. So once it crosses the 5 rupees, then definitely I'll update the technical charts. So try to accumulate in small portions, so definitely you will get the benefits. So that is the resistance. Support wise 4.10 both in daily chart and as well as in weekly chart. 4.10 is going to be very important. And money flow index wise, so now only it has entered into overbought region in daily chart time frame. So further momentum may be seen and it may continue in that particular region. If you're having any further queries, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is stocks diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.